Why choose Solutek B2B for screen, repair and replacement services for technological devices? At Solutek B2B, we are your trusted partner for electronic device repairs. We specialize in screen repairs for a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, PDAs, and smartwatches from leading brands. Our commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer care sets us apart in the tech industry. Here's why Solutek B2B is the best choice for you or your business. Premium quality parts. We only use premium quality parts, ensuring that your devices function like new after each repair. Thanks to our strategic partnerships with both parts manufacturers and major wholesalers, we offer you the best in the market, guaranteeing durability and optimal performance, sustainability and tech recycling. We are deeply committed to environmental care. At Solutek B2B, we not only manage a tech waste disposal process that's environmentally friendly, but we also implement tech recycling programs. These programs ensure that used parts are properly handled, preventing pollution and contributing to a more sustainable future. Local workforce and community support. We believe in the power of community. That's why we use local labor for our repairs. We make sure to spotlight all local repairers and service providers by connecting them with the growing demand for our services. In this way, we support local economic development and ensure that you always have an expert nearby. VIP community for businesses and individuals. Our VIP subscriber community offers benefits for both businesses and individuals. Businesses, comprehensive solutions for the repair of all your company's devices with priority service and exclusive discounts. Individuals, repair your families and friends' devices at preferential rates, ensuring your loved ones always stay connected. Regional coverage. As part of a network of tech companies, we offer services at a regional level. No matter where you are, you will always have access to our experts to keep your devices in perfect condition. Value added that makes a difference. Choosing Solutek B2B means opting for high-quality service, fast response times, and continuous support. Whether you need a device repaired urgently or are looking for a reliable partner to maintain all your company's equipment, we are here to help. With us, every repair is an investment in extending the life of your devices.